how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Venom Batman, so Venomized Batman. It's going to be just the head, and that's it. So let's get started, okay? Also, don't forget to stay till the entire lesson is over. If you stay it's only about 8 minutes. If you stay all 8 minutes, you will have a new skill in 8 minutes, okay? So let's get started. I'm going to go over here, draw the far side eye. Curve over here. It's gonna roll around here. Go here this side. Pulling in a bit. Up. Down here. Pull down. Curve. Curve back with a head here, and we're gonna throw the Batman type ear there. It's gonna be longer though than normal. Down. I mean, these are venomized eyes, but you know the other one will be more of a Batman ear. Curve here, up, and down like so. Gonna find the side of the cheek here, down over here, down to the nose area, at least the Batman style nose. In here, it's gonna go up. Let's go over here, down, one tooth, and I'm gonna start just doing these kind of nail-like teeth. Maybe change up the size right here. Then I'm gonna pull out the tongue as usual, the famous Venom tongue. Gonna do like just a wiggly line. Pulling in over here, down here the back of the jaw, down, pulling up, 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 right here. So same thing, going upward now. Bottom of the tongue. Right here, and just kind of keep throwing these teeth in. There is the skin on the side of the mouth here. Pulling up. There's like basically lizards and stuff have this skin flap, and I know Venom has that as well. Gonna go down, find the chin. Across the chin here, the bottom of the chin here. Pull up right there. I'm gonna go back of the neck, maybe put like a fold here, and I'm gonna pull out. He's got like a muscular neck. Batman and Venom, but Venom I think is more of a bodybuilder type. Pulling in here for that anger of the eyes right there, the fold. In here as well for the fold. Pulling in here as well. Folds in the mask. Line over here. Pulling in here, here. And I'm going to fill in some of the stuff here as well. curve over here for the lines, and for the most of it, you. Oh, I forgot about the line under the neck, right? The Adam's apple and stuff. And so for the most part, and let's put the top of the chest here. Line over here, underneath. It's kind of showing a little bit of shadow under there. And that's mostly it, honestly. We can throw like thin line over here along the ear because there's a little bit of a kind of a shape going on there. Curved line here, curved line here, curved line here.